Hi guys, today I've got this TN cover to share with you. I made this quite a while ago and I don't use it as a traveller's notebook, I use it as a sketchbook and I just wanted a cute little cover for all my sketch pages rather than just having a plain spiral bound book. I followed a tutorial to make this, but it's been quite a while so I can't actually remember which tutorial I used. I will try and have a look and find it, and if I can I'll add it in the description box below. I used a 12 by 12 inch piece of paper from a Craft Consortium collection to make my TN cover. I worked in centimetres for this one, I'm not sure why, so my measurements will be in centimetres. So I took my 12 by 12 inch piece of paper and I cut it down to 21 by 29 centimetres. Then on the long edge I scored in the centre at 14.5 centimetres, and then I make score marks on either side 2 centimetres apart. So those score marks are at 12.5 centimetres and 16.5 centimetres. Next I take my corner punch tool and I punch all 4 corners of the paper. And you can see here I've got a laminating pouch out. So next I put my paper into the laminating pouch and I laminate it. And there you can see the finished result of that. And next I go over the score line so that I can bend the laminated pouch. And then you'll see here I start to fold and burnish my score lines so that it starts to form my cover. So next I take my We Are Memory Keepers crocodile tool and I punch 3 holes at the top and the bottom of the spine on the score lines. And then I just use the little pin and I'm just poking a hole in the centre of the central score line. Then I use this dot tool, which is actually for nail art, but I actually use them a lot for paper crafting, just to make that hole a little bit bigger. You might have a more sophisticated tool to create a hole in the centre, but I haven't got anything that sort of reaches that far, so I had to improvise. And it's not the neatest, but it doesn't look too bad. And then I've got some elasticated string and I feed it through the holes on the right hand side. I'm just trimming a little bit of excess off. Then I feed my elastic from the right to the left into the central hole, and then I feed it through the bottom central hole as well. Then I feed it from the central hole to the left hole, and again up to the top left hole. And then I feed it back through the centre hole, at the top and at the bottom. And then I tie the string together in the middle. And again, I cut off the excess here. So next I need a little piece of elastic just to close my notebook when it's got papers in it and I'm not using it. So I make a loop in a piece of the string and then I feed it through the centre hole so that it's on the outside of the cover. So I just adjust it so that it's got the right amount of slack, and then once I've got it in the place I want it, I tie the knot on the inside so that elastic stays in place, holding the cover shut. So next I bought an A4 sketchbook and I just cut down and fold and burnish the pages so that they're all the same size, and I do 4 little bundles of paper, and there you can see I'm just slotting them over each elasticated string, and that's just for me to do my doodles in. I really can't draw, but I really want to be able to, so this was sort of to encourage me to have a little doodle every now and then. And that's it. That was really quick and easy to make and loads of fun. I've seen tutorials since where they do all lovely beads along the spine and stuff like that, and I really like it, so I'm probably going to make another one soon, or even make beads for this one and add it to the spine. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you don't already, please consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all. See you again soon. Bye.